take the lead.
Unusual Pet Vets, we're currently at 8 clinics. We're at 130 staff across all of our clinics. It's a big group, and it's grown a lot faster than we anticipated.
A big thing with exotics is that we do a lot of routines, but we do a lot of emergency as well. And 1 minute you'll have a cockatiel, the next minute it could be like a fish or a bandicoot, or like you literally never know what's going to happen.
I can go from having a 4-gram frog in to literally the next consult is I'm doing a host visit for a 4.5 metre saltwater crocodile. We were in a situation where we had a server-based program, and then we were going to be opening our Brisbane practice and realised that server system wasn't going to work for us. So we looked at cloud-based technologies, and obviously ezyVet was one of those. I really researched the program and had some fantastic meetings with the sales guys at ezyVet, and I actually really liked the business philosophy. It wasn't just the software, but the actual reasoning behind how it was working and why it did this. And so we jumped on board.
What I like with ezyVet is that you can basically get to anywhere from anywhere. So you can get to a history, you can get to a patient file, you can jump back to a client file. It's fairly easy to maneuver around.
The memo system I really like as well, because we do collaborate quite a lot with the other clinics, and so being able to have the other clinics send me histories and x-rays and things like that and chat via that route.
Having that ability to have a whole team of veterinarians in on a case versus just one vet, that's a big one for us. We've got staff all around the country, and in certain clinics, we've got very experienced staff who are more than happy to help out the junior guys. And pretty much on a daily basis, you'll get another vet in one of the other clinics, put it out on our internal messaging to say, can someone have a look at this case for me?
I've been able to set up a lot of ordering that's set straight from ezyVet as well. It helps with inventory. So you can track what you're selling, track what you're buying, and it's easier to order that way instead of jumping to a new website and adding to cart and paying. And it definitely is saving me half the time as what I was using before, which is then better spent doing something else.
Because of the large organisation that we are, we can look at retrospectively things that we've done. And so we've got a staff member who's actually looked back at our rabbit anaesthesias and looking at death rates and what anaesthetic drugs we use and those sort of stuff. And we've got some really good, interesting data to say a particular anaesthetic regime is the best way to go. So we can pull really useful data out of the ezyVet software and implement it in making decisions in the clinic. If you have a multi-site practice and you're not on a cloud-based software, you're crazy. That's an absolute no-brainer. I get asked all the time, well, what do you think of ezyVet? And that's 2 thumbs up from me. I always say, go for it.
I would like a death adder, but no, I just have a Woma python who's not venomous, but he is very hungry, so he does like to try and eat me. And I have some frogs as well.
You want a death adder?
Yeah, they're really cute.